The Laboratoire Charles Coulomb. What mysterious experiments are conducted behind those walls? We've pushed the door to meet the scientists living there. To our surprise, we discover a revolution growing in the lab. Its name, PyMoDAQ. We went to meet the researchers to ask what PyMoDAQ meant for them.
For me, PyMoDAQ simply is the future.
For me, PyMoDAQ is a love-hate relationship. Some days I really hate it, but just for the days when it works, it's really worth it.
PyMoDAQ is like a wonderful thing, like you can interface your instruments and play with it, like it works very well, so I definitely recommend it.
What?
For me, PyMoDAQ, I use it mainly for the PyMoDAQ data to analyze my data, because I use H55. Maybe in the future I will try to use it with for different purposes, but so far it's really working pretty well on the data analysis. Nice PyMoDAQ.
Without the frequencies,
Pym what? I don't want to hear about it.
The faith in PyMoDAQ is spreading, but the opposition is still strong. In the shadow, a team of PyMoDAQ defenders has formed with a mission, bringing more followers to their beloved PyMoDAQ. With a few pieces of equipment stolen from the lab or found in the street, they assembled their ultimate PyMoDAQ experiment, Pigeon. The objective of Pigeon is to produce and observe walking droplets. These objects survive through the coupling of a drop of oil and a wave in the bath. In our setup, we use a sunflower oil bath placed on top of a speaker. The speaker oscillates the bath and provides the energy for the drops to survive. To create the droplets, we also added a metal wire at the surface connected to an oscillating motor. The oscillation of the bath and the droplets creation are operated using the two channels of a wave generator. We had to create a new plugin for this equipment, which was done during a PyMoDAQ workshop to enroll new members to our cause. We can in particular control the waveform, the frequency, and the amplitude of the signal. We observe the droplets using a 4-lap camera, for which our dear leader had already made a plugin. To control all of this, we of course use PyMoDAQ. We explored the possibility to make an app, to create a colorful interface and an attractive design to lure our colleagues into using PyMoDAQ. Now let's give a look at our custom dashboard. It is organized in 4 parts, one to control the bath excitation, one to control the droplet creation, one to control the camera, and one for the camera view. All the modules can be initialized and the setting enabled with the click of a button. After changing the exposure and putting the image straight, we start by activating the bath excitation. We then set the frequency and amplitudes to excite the bath near observation of standing waves. Then we set the droplet maker in motion by sending a low sinus signal. We can tune the parameters easily until we obtain a walking droplet. As more droplets are created, they can interact through their associated surface wave. We observed the formation of a hexagonal crystal of droplets. The screen capture is a bit too much for our computer, as you can see. So let's directly have a look at the recording from the camera for a smoother video. The PyMoDAQ Revolution is on the march in Montpellier. Where will it stop?